everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. It's almost Christmas. It's only about 2 weeks away, so this is the perfect time of trying to make some mini panettones. I will try David's recipe. David, the winner of this year's British Bake Off. I saw his stories yesterday and they looked really yum. So I will follow his recipe. The pictures of the mini panettones will be on my Instagram account, which is @Christina'sCuisine, and the video on YouTube will be on Rapid. So if you like what you see here today and you're not one of my subscribers yet, please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so that way you get notifications every time we put a video up. Almost Christmas, isn't it? Lovely time of the year. It's one of my favorite periods of the year. Hope yours as well. So let's make a lovely panettone, guys. Until next time, don't forget, go break an egg and take care of yourselves. Right, so the ingredients for this are as follows. This is 4 egg yolks, 130 milliliters of water, 260 grams of plain flour and a pinch of salt, 30 grams of white chocolate, that's 2 tablespoons of sugar, about 20 grams, and about 14 grams of yeast, about 2 teaspoons, 15 grams of corn flour, 40 grams of butter. I'm using salted butter as usual. And here I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon of orange essence. So what is the first step is to melt together the butter and the chocolate, and then add all the other ingredients apart from the flour. The flour goes at the very end. Yeah, so let's just do that quickly.